Hey guys, it's about 10 p.m. My wife is already sleeping. I'm going to be feeding and burping my baby here, and I'm going to be showing you that process. And look at my little baby roar like a little lion. Isn't it adorable? Anyways, let's get into it. After warming up the milk, I quickly realized this isn't going to be as easy as I stepped on one of my daughter's toys. It was so painful, and the hardest part was trying to make sure I kept holding my newborn and keeping her safe. I sit down and start beginning to feed my daughter Nora. It's easy. This is the easy part. The hardest part is how long it takes for these babies to drink their milk. It literally took about 15 minutes for her to finish her 6 ounces of milk. This bottle is a 6-ounce bottle, and it took about 15 minutes for her to finish all of this. But while we're watching this, let's just appreciate how cute this is. Alright, now my baby finished about 3.5 ounces. It's time to do a midway burping session. As a new father, a new parent, or even if you're an experienced parent, one thing that you may or may not know is that you never want to let your newborns get all the way through before you start burping. I learned this the hard way. You want to go halfway through at least and give your baby a burp so there's not as much gas trapped inside their stomach. Couldn't really get a burp, so I ended up going back to feeding her, and this went okay. Two more minutes of feeding her, I went right back to burping. She was almost done with her whole bottle at this point. Really focusing on getting her in the right position to help her. I noticed that she was having a little bit more, taking a little longer to burp this time. So I was trying to make sure I placed her correctly upper shoulder, make sure she's high enough and she has the right angle so the air can come out easily. Adjust her head real quick. Trust me, I know what it's like to go to bed with gas, and I don't want my daughter to have to go through this. Can we just pause for a second and look at this cute little baby here? Oh my goodness, so adorable. After trying this for a little, I switched to the sitting up burping method. As you can see, I'm very careful. Slowly rotate the baby up, slightly leaning forward, making sure my hands are holding the neck or head area to keep that head stabilized. And I'm giving a nice light pat. Now it does sound a lot harder on camera, but trust me, it wasn't as hard as it sounds. It was very light. I have big hands, but I'm very light on her back. All right, we're still unsuccessful. It's been about 10 minutes of trying to burp her, and we fed her for about 20 minutes. So far it's been about 30 minutes of feeding. I find this absolutely hilarious. Look at the way she's eyeing down and breathing. Look at that back and forth. You talking to me? I don't know about that. That's what it looks like she's saying. It's hilarious. Anyways, I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video of me burping. I'm gonna be quiet, but this was just an amazing moment where I got to burp my daughter, and this is one of the few videos I have recording the whole process of what it's like for a dad to be burping their baby by themselves. Oh no. Oh no. Hey! and the hiccups are gone. Wow, Dad, you did it again.